So hi everybody. So here we are again on this three-panel meter. So finally, after what is it, like 8 9 months, they're gonna come and put power on this box. So they're gonna move these meters to over here to the to this panel, and they're gonna add another one for this unit over here. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be running new conduit for to feed the boxes, to feed the sub panels over here. So I'm running two pipes, 1.5, and one of yeah it and each of those is gonna serve one of these boxes. So this one we're gonna keep it. This is square D as the CQ, and over here we're gonna be adding on another one, another sub panel. It's gonna be I'm gonna put a home line. I couldn't find the same as this one, so it's gonna be a home line, and both of them are gonna have a 100 amp breakers, which I don't have it here, and yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. Okay. So we're now removing all those these old boxes. We already took the meter holders. They're here on the ground now. We're gonna be removing this one, and we're gonna clean all this cabinet. This one is gonna stay, as I told you before. We're just gonna move it up a little bit. So we right now we have this panel ready. Just gonna secure it to the frame. So we're using the 1.5 PVC, the gray PVC conduit. So yeah, I just need to. So everything started over here. Everything started over here. So we put the nut, the male adapter, and the conduit on the bottom, so we can easily push them over here. And so I ended using some 90 degrees and a couple of 45s over here, and so I just need to run the feeders for this one, so I can put the power back on this unit. Yeah, so this is how it look at the end. We put the 100 amps in each unit, and this is how it looks on the bottom. Yeah, I run the 1.5 conduit for the sub panels, and so both of them are inside this cabinet. Sub panel dryer, so it's only a couple of breakers here, and the same thing over here. So yeah, I couldn't make the step by step because it was so hot and there was people living inside. I think they also have a newborn, so I have to do it faster. So, but this is the final result. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Yeah, please consider subscribing, and see you next time. Thanks.